for the 10-second tidy.
Here we have Loonette and Molly, a clown on her dolly. Starting off with the fashion. Loonette's moon duck face top. I thrifted a white long sleeve t-shirt, drew on with a yellow fabric marker where each moon duck thing would be going, referring back to multiple photos. Some of these were perfect circles, some were partial circles, so I grabbed a lid because my ass cannot make a perfect circle at all. I then continued mapping out the faces with black markers for the eyes and red for the mouth. Once I had it all planned out, I simply went over everything with the fabric paints version of it, starting with the dots for the eyes, then filling in the red for the mouth, And then finally putting the yellow down around the perimeter of each circle using a paintbrush to pull that yellow in so it wasn't as thick as the red or the black. I continued this on the back, the front and back of both arms as well. This is time consuming as I obviously had to wait for each portion to dry before carrying on, but I also had to wait for each color to dry as I didn't want it to bleed into the others, which did happen a few times unfortunately. Well, if you have eyes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 6, 38, 40, 42, 44, 47, I think. Alright, they've officially all got eyes. Weird sentence once again. For the collar, I used the same kind of fabric markers. These do have to be set with heat, which is why I generally use them to outline rather than to color in. But this time it was actually for the color to stay. Finally, the glasses. Her big, goofy glasses. I could not find her big yellow ones, but I found these and simply popped out the lenses. Painted it with a white 2 prime. This is just acrylic paint. And then 2 layers of yellow. I also did pop those stars off the corners, but off camera. I definitely could have spray painted these, but I needed a custom mix of yellow to match hers as best as I could, so to keep the paint on, I added a final layer of resin sealant. For the makeup though, I did my usual brow routine. Prime the other one with a white cream pencil, blending it out with my finger using a shade close to my skin tone as my transition shade. Then a gray on my outer corner to a small wing and into the inner corner. For the rest of the lid and my tear duct area, I used a white cream to powder shadow and blended that out with my finger once again. A matte liner just on the top lash line. See if I can do this after a monster. Mascara to the top and the bottom lashes, followed by a few layers of blush applied to the apples of my cheeks. Now, I've done realistic looking freckles before, but these ones, she obviously doesn't actually have freckles, or if she does, it's covered in makeup anyways. But I wanted to add freckles despite me actually having natural ones. I think she's got like there. I feel like I'm comforting someone. There. Using the same liquid liner to create some very prominent faux freckles. That feels weird. And a My Lips But Better color followed by a clear gloss. Now just wait for that to dry down, then I think I'm going to add a gloss. I also wanted to contribute this to the look. A bucket hat. Why do I kind of feel like from Spy Kids, like the bad kid's mom? I'm literally just gonna cut into it. Very cheap hat. Don't really care about it at all. As I can't cut into it. Weird thing to say, but the hole does need to be bigger. Like I've literally just, that's it. Completely across from that. Alright. And that is it. We are done with this tutorial, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Alright, the most important part.